All right, so day two, Tuesday, Khan Academy expectations. Another PowerPoint, or another slides, I should say, since we're using Google uh, platform. Here's how I'll be grading you. All right, 60 minutes each week. Uh, Pretty self-explanatory. Just kind of take a look at it, make sure that I'm doing my math right. Maybe you can find an error. That'd be pretty cool. Here's how you make a copy of your slide. Remember, use this format: Khan Academy, last name, first name, and then you'll have your own copy for your own notes that you'll have forever and ever, or until you get rid of it. Over here, I kind of go over some of my expectations. One thing I want you guys to pay attention to is this little part right here. Is if you're not doing seventh grade work, I can track it. If you're doing art history or whatever. That's cool, but I can't give you credit for that towards our math program. So make sure you're working in seventh grade math. This is why I do it. It's super successful. 40% is all we need, and we're going to grow like crazy because I don't know why, because it's just a very successful program. Something to be aware of. I can't track your minutes unless you're logged into your Khan Academy account. That means I can't give you credit for all the hard work that you might have done working in there without being logged in. So remember, make sure that you're logged in and then get started. Okay, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. I would love it for everyone to get this mission foundation done as quickly as possible. These aren't seventh grade standards; they're sixth grade and fifth grade and fourth grade. But if we know how to do these things, then seventh grade math is going to be I won't say a piece of cake, but it will definitely put us in a good spot to get finished. Um, if you manage to finish off the exponents one, oh, it doesn't matter. What I'm really trying to get at is you can get five, and it's different for different skills. But if you get five in a row correct and level up, then you got two choices. You can level up again, or you can try something different. All right, here's a little math thing for me to get familiar with you guys and see if you guys understand how to get percentages. Play, pause it. I'll talk more about that when you see me tomorrow, or virtually speaking, or asynchronously speaking. Uh, Make sure you pick out an avatar and snip it and clip it and put it on the next page right here. I value work over mastery. I know that if you work hard, some kids will get it right away. Some kids will move at a slower pace. I was one of the guys. It took me a while to hold on to concepts, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I reward work. As long as you're working, then I'm going to give you a 100, which is half of your grade in my class. So please keep that in mind. All right, so Terry puts in 34 minutes. What kind of grade is Terry going to get? All right, go ahead and put that number right here. Study hall every Friday. I'll give you an opportunity. If it looks like you're falling behind, then I'll require you to come on Friday and we can make it up. Also, a good chance to talk to me about things you don't understand or are having a problem with. Mastery challenges. You won't get those right away, but you'll get them soon enough. And this is where we want to focus a lot of our time and energy, because mastery challenges will level you up a lot faster than just working exercises. This is kind of what it looks like after you've completed a mastery challenge. You can see here I've gone negative numbers on the number line, went from needs practice to level 1. Pretty exciting for me. Here is your attendance ticket. Yep. And then I'm going to actually move this slide right here. This is a signature page. Real easy to do. Use your snipping tool. You take a picture of it, and then you can just sign it with your mouse. No big deal. But I want you and your parents both to sign, saying that you've gone through these slides and you understand what is expected of you. And then all you have to do, after you've written on it, right click, paste it right on there, and I'll know that we're all on the same page. Alright guys, so for your attendance, make sure that you click on the link. It should take you right there, and you'll be at your Google form, and I'll know that you've done what you need to do for Tuesday. Awesome. Have a great morning or afternoon, depending on what time you have my class.